Okay, when annotating To Kill a Mockingbird, every night or every chapter I assign, you are going to highlight the main idea on each page. You're going to select one main idea to annotate per page. You're going to identify if it's helping develop the character, theme, symbolism, or plot. You're going to provide a 1 or 2 word inference, add the annotation to the inference, and then tell me which specific literary or syntactical device it is using, and you may use abbreviations. We're going to need it for the charts and the essay and test at the end of the book. You're also going to denote the text structure. There are 5 text structures: sequencing, cause and effect, problem solution, description, and compare and contrast. 7, 8, and 9 are going to be completed in the packets. So in the book annotations, you're concerned with 1 through 6. Your annotations will look like this. On each page, all the main ideas will be underlined or highlighted. You are going to choose one main idea. I put an asterisk next to it. Dill reduces Dracula to dust. So that is what's happening while he is acting out the movie, because the kids have only seen or read the book. So what is it developing? C for character. It tells me that Dill is very dramatic or creative. So that's 2 and 3 right there. And 4 with the inference. The text structure is description. Dill reduced Dracula to dust. It's also a number 5 literary device, alliteration, and it has a positive connotation. Over here on this page, I have underlined cause and effect, what he describes Boo Radley. The character, it kind of makes him seem evil, but then with the anaphora here, it says people said, people said, people said. The anaphora or imagery of the cause and effect. Really, it's showing me how gossipy the town is, which develops plot, but it's also telling that this guy is evil just through their gossip. So maybe that's a theme, and since it's a lot of description and repetition, I'm thinking about how they're labeling them, or perhaps stereotypes. And then, since I think these are 2 main ideas that I might want to capture later in my packet or for my essay, I use a post-it and I say over here C for Dill, C for Boo Radley, maybe showing him that he's evil. And also maybe it's a stereotype, so I'm not quite sure, but I'll save that for later.